In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert leads into contacts in Zoho CRM, a process crucial for streamlining your sales workflow and making your system more efficient. So let's jump in and guide you through each step to ensure you smoothly convert those leads and categorically make the most of your CRM tools. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. If you're already logged in, that's great. Otherwise, make sure you have your login credentials handy to access the portal. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a menu option labeled Leads. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your prospective customer information is stored, so it's fundamental to know your way around this section. Now, you'll be presented with a list of all your current leads. Browse through and select a lead that you believe has the potential to be a valuable contact for your business. This section provides a wealth of information at your fingertips, and selecting the right lead is key to transitioning them into a contact and potentially advancing your sales process. Once a lead is selected, direct your attention to the More Options button. This usually looks like 3 dots, depending on the device or layout settings, but it should be easily spottable. Clicking this will open up a series of additional actions you can take. Among these options, you'll see an action labeled Convert. Select that. This brings up a prompt titled Convert Lead. You'll notice an option reading, Create a new deal for this account. Can you see that option? It's essentially providing you with a chance to create a deal with this leads account, which is particularly beneficial if you're already in talks about specific products or services. It can significantly streamline communication and documentation related to potential transactions. Once you've set that up, click on the Convert button at the bottom of this prompt. By doing so, you finalize the process of converting the lead into a contact. This conversion process not only changes the status of your lead, but also moves all the associated information over to your contacts section, making it a much easier process to manage and maintain ongoing relationships. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a lead into a contact in Zoho CRM. Embracing these steps ensures that your CRM remains organized and allows you better management of your relationships with leads as they evolve into valuable contacts. Remember, the key is to regularly review your leads and keep your system up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.